Okay, so I was at the food court with my group for lunch, and I tried something different from the normal stuff. This is exploding chicken from Cheers Cuts. It's basically a fried chicken fillet, but inside is cheese, white cheese and yellow cheese. Um, I took a few bites, but I wanted to show you guys and try some of it for you, the people, so you don't have to unless you want to. First thing that hits me is the crust. Obviously, it's not crispy now because it was sitting out in my backpack for a while. But it has a slight taste of cinnamon, which you think will be bad, but it's actually nice. See, it's oozing cheese. Not sure if this is white or dark meat chicken. It's still good chicken though. It's a very sweet crust. It's a very large piece of chicken. Even after taking a few bites, it's still like half a quarter of a pound left. Like, this could feed me for like a whole day. So it was only like $7.50. But that's just for the chicken alone. If you want fries and a drink, you're going to have to pay extra. So, from a price standpoint, it's good, I guess. So, I'm going to give it a high 4. From a taste standpoint, it's really good. So, that's why it gets a high 4. If it was spicy, it would get a 5. But because you know how much I like spicy stuff. I think they have a spicy stuff at the Cheers Cut place, but I'm not sure. I know they have squid, but I would never eat squid. It was at the place that I got it from is mostly Taiwanese cooking. The food court they have has a lot of places. They have an Arby's, they have a pizza place, they have a Subway, they have a bunch of Chinese places. They even have a sushi place. Most of the Chinese places have these weird sodas, like the one I reviewed at the fair. So, if you like this review of the exploding chicken cutlet, give me a subscribe on the Junk Food Critic. You'll be glad you did.